Hey there, today I'll show you how to remove numbers from the start of your file names. As you can see here, I've got some files that start with numbers. Don't worry though, I'll help you get rid of those pesky digits. All right, here's the plan. We're gonna zap those numbers and the spaces that follow. So the names of the files will look like this, but that's not all. I'll also show you how to get rid of those annoying numbers in brackets. To remove those pesky numbers from your file names, we'll be using a nifty little app called Solid Explorer. You can find this app on the Android Play Store, download it, and you're good to go. Now, let's get our hands dirty. First, I'll select all the files, then tap on Rename, leave the pattern section blank, and activate the regex function. To match numbers at the beginning of a line that aren't inside brackets, we'll use this regex pattern. Caret followed by a backslash and the letter D and a plus sign, then don't forget to add a space. This code starts with a caret mark, or t, to indicate the beginning of the line. Now let's check the preview to see how our regex code is working. Aha, it's working perfectly. The orange text in the preview indicates the numbers that are going to be removed from the file names. Everything looks good. We're on the right track. Now tap that shiny rename button and voila, you got your new fancy file names. Piece of cake, right? Next, I'll show you how to remove those stubborn numbers at the beginning of the file names, even if they're wrapped up in brackets. Before we get into that, if you're enjoying this tutorial, why not hit that subscribe button and tap the like button? It really helps me out. Now, back to business. I'll select all the file names, tap on Rename. To ensure proper functioning, remember to leave the pattern section empty. After that, double-check that the regex function is turned on. And enter this code. Caret mark, backslash, plus, space, vertical stick. This will search for any number that's not enclosed in parentheses. Then, to find numbers inside brackets, we'll use this code. Backslash, open brackets, backslash, letter D, plus, backslash, close the bracket. This matches any number inside open and close brackets. Make sure to add spaces after each code. All right, let's take a look at the preview and see how our regex code is doing. You can see that all the numbers at the beginning of each line, including those inside parentheses, will be removed. Excellent. Now it's time to hit that rename button and finalize the changes. This is the result. And that's it for today, folks. If you have any questions or feedback, drop me a line in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, it would mean the world to me if you hit that like button and subscribe for more Droid Tips videos.